Hello students, welcome to you in this video. Param Guru Pathshala English Medium School, Sarsa. My name is Master Kamini. Today I am taking for class 1. My subject name is EVS. Today this is unit number 4 that we need a house. Continue. In previous video we have to explain this unit, the lesson explanation whole completely, and today we have to cover topic that explain textbook exercise. Here I will read the textbook exercise and explanation given to you. You have to pay attention here. If you have the Cordova textbook, then open your textbook number 159 and pay attention you also and listen my video carefully. So let's start. Exercise A, that is oral questions. Here 4 questions are given, A and B, oral question and quiz. Then after I will show you the answer also. First I will read the question 2 times, that name 4 things you see in your bedroom. Name 4 things you see in your bedroom. Second, where do you find a mug and bucket? Where do you find a mug and bucket? B exercise. Where do we sleep and take rest? Name the part of a house that lets in sunlight and fresh air. Now this 4 question is very easy for you, but I will give you the answer too. So here see. Name 4 things you see in your bedroom: that bed, night lamp, cupboard and mattresses. If you have to write down your own answer also, that you have to see in your bedroom. Suppose you have to see in your bedroom that different kinds of toys, then you have to write down one toys, etc. Okay. Second, where do you find a mug and a bucket? Mug and bucket, where do you find that? You have to write down answer bathroom, BATHROOM, bathroom. B exercise. Where do we sleep and take rest? Where do we sleep and take rest? Answer. We take rest and sleep in the bedroom. We take rest and sleep in a bedroom. Name the part of a house. Part of a house that lights and sunlit and fresh air. हमारे घर में से कहाँ से सनलाइट एंड फ्रेश एयर आती है? दैट इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड ईजी क्वेश्चन. द विंडो. आंसर इज द विंडो ऑफ ए हाउस लेट इन सनलाइट एंड फ्रेश air. Now the exercise C, you have to pay attention here. I will show you the exercise C, that we take a bath in the option B, bathroom. We take a bath in the bathroom. Second question. A house made up of mud, wood and straw is called a kacha house. A house made up of mud, wood and straw is called a kacha house. Third MCQ, this is your valuable corner question, that is C. What should we do when we visit other people's house? Sorry. What should we do when we visit other people's house? हम दूसरों के घर पे जाए तो कैसे बैठना है, कैसे रहना है? इट्स अ मैनर टाइप्स ऑफ क्वेश्चन दैट, एंड टिक द करेक्ट पिक्चर. दोनों में से जो करेक्ट पिक्चर है वो क्या करना है, उस पर टिक करना है और मेक अ वन ब्यूटीफुल स्माइली दैट आई हैव टू डू इन दिस स्लाइड. सी दैट नंबर 1, वो बच्चा, वो रैबिट कैसा बेड पे बैठा है, खुदा खुद कर रहा है, इधर उधर टॉयज गिरा दिए है, बेड शीट बिखार दी है उसने एंड अच्छी तरह नहीं बैठा है. और बी नंबर वाला रैबिट, वेरी गुड, सीटली इन अ चेयर एंड इफ द बॉल इज इन कॉर्नर देन कॉर्नर, उसने उठा के बेड पे नहीं रखा है, कुछ भी गिराया नहीं है, तो बी आंसर इज राइट. यू हैव टू थर्ड नंबर MCQ ओनली डू इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक. A, B, C, A and B you have to write down in your notebook question answer, and C exercise, that is 2 MCQ, you have to write down 3 number you have to do in your textbook. Now D exercise, see that fill in the blanks with the help of the given words. आपको यहाँ ऑप्शन दिए गए हैं, you have to write down and fill up the blanks. Number 1, Kacha house are found in villages. Kacha house are found in villages. Second number, we must keep our house. हमारा house कैसा होना चाहिए? Neat and clean. We must keep our house neat and clean. Now E exercise, that is answer the following question. Why do we need a house? And second, where is food cooked? Two question is very important. In previous video I have to show you, give you activity of that rooms departments or all rooms function, that is your drawing room, dining room, study room, bedroom, bathroom, kitchen. Okay, this question also look like that. So in previous video you can once again see that that activity also. Here question 1, that why do we need a house? See the answer. We need a house to protect us from the sun, rain, bad weathers, wild animals and thieves. That is, हमको हाउस की क्यों ज़रूरत है? टू प्रोटेक्ट अस फ्रॉम द सन, रेन, bad weathers, wild animals and thieves. Second, where is food cooked? खाना कहाँ पकाते हैं? The food is cooked in the kitchen. And where do we get food? खाना कहाँ बैठ के खाते हो? That is the dining room. Two questions are important for you, that where is the food cooked? खाना कहाँ बनता है? That kitchen. And कहाँ खाना खाते हो? तो dining room. Now you have to complete the E exercise also. Now test yourself, that I have to given you. See, match the following house with the material they are made. Here the two houses are given, that kacha houses and pakka houses, and one bag or box are given, that the material. दोनों हाउस बनाने में which kinds of material we have to use, that you have to tick. Mud, brick, wood, iron, stove and cement. I have to also match it, but you have to don't write down in your notebook. You have to write down. How you have to write down, I will show you. See, test yourself. Match the following house with the material they are made up of. You have to write down in notebook like that. You have to draw kacha house and pakka house, and in house you have to write down the material. In kacha house, which kinds of material we have to use? Mud, wood and straw. And pakka house, which kinds of material we have to use in pakka house? That is bricks, iron and cement. Okay, so this is your textual exercise over here, and you have to write down exercise A, B, C, D, E and test yourself like this. After you have in previous video I will show you the textbook explanation, lesson explanation and hard words given to you. In hard words you have to write down in your notebook, and homework given that 3 times you have to write down hard words. Below the hard words you have to write down exercise textbook, exercise A, B, C, D, E, and last one is that your test yourself, and you have to draw kacha house and pakka house and write down in between true material. Okay dear students, we will meet with our next lesson, that is chapter number 5, our clothes, in next video, where we will meet with our next lesson. Up to now you have to complete your textbook exercise. In previous video I will show you the activity also, that rooms department, drawing room, dining room, study room, bedroom, bathroom and kitchen. That exercise I will also send you, and today I have to given test yourself like that. It is activity also, that kacha house and pakka house you have to identify the material also. Textbook to MCQ that I have to complete on this previous video, on that previous video, sorry. So you have to write down that 2 MCQ also, and today's exercise you have to completely write down in your notebook. Exercise A, oral question. B, quiz. C, tick the correct answer. You have to write down only 2 MCQ also. C number, this is your value corner, that you have to don't do in your notebook. D exercise, fill in the blanks, write down. E exercise, answer the following questions, write down and test yourself, that is match the following houses with the material they are made. You have to also write down that. Last question is also your activity based question. So here our lessons over, chapter 4 is over. We will meet with our next video with very soon with new chapters of this book. Okay, all the best students.